Another area of budgeting that can be very useful is the ability to transfer your data automatically to Microsoft Excel. We discussed earlier the number of reports that are available under the budgeting section. Each of these reports can be transferred to Excel to take advantage of the powerful features contained within that program. Now please keep in mind, this is not a Microsoft Excel class, so I'm simply going to introduce these features. You'll want to take a class if there are not already ones that you are used to using. I have a budget performance report that I've prepared in advance for us. I'd like to do a little bit more what-if analysis to determine how I can get a handle on my expenses. Now in this example, I took just a few accounts so it was easier to look at. I'm going to export this to Microsoft Excel, and when I bring it in, the idea is I can very easily change numbers. Now of course, similar to QuickBooks, I can go in and change any number that I would like to. However, I'd like to point out to you two tools within Excel that you should be aware of. One is GoalSeek and another is Scenarios. GoalSeek will allow us to automatically set a cell based on the value of another. For instance, if my expenses increase, I will automatically need to increase my sales. As I plug my expenses in, Excel will tell me how much I need to sell in order to cover them all. The second tool, Scenarios, works just the same way that GoalSeek does, but allows us to put in a number of different components. GoalSeek is only one cell, Scenarios can be a variety of them. Now each of these features gets very complex. Recommend that you look at our training videos for Excel to take advantage of these features. Another feature in Microsoft Excel that we should be aware of is the strength of its charting. If I want to see a visual representation of my expenses, I simply insert a chart. The wizard again will take me through it, but I'll just finish and you'll notice I have a very simple and quick chart. Let's make this a little bit larger and move it down a bit. The advantage of working with these charts in Excel is that they will change automatically. If I simply go to the mileage reimbursement and change it to $750, you'll see my graph changes automatically. If I change utilities, you'll see once again the same thing happens. Utilizing the power of the analysis tools from Excel can really give us a good idea of what will happen under different circumstances. Take advantage of the powerful export feature in QuickBooks and use Excel to help you run your business.